Today, we're going to build a Sith Holocron using 2 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I've been wanting to build a Sith Holocron and a Jedi Holocron for a while now, but I just never knew quite how to do it. But then I was building, and I got this extra translucent orange like pyramid piece, and I was like, aha, that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this orange translucent pyramid piece and a black translucent 1x1 plate and just put them together so that the ends are kind of catty corner or diagonal from each other. So it's not a nice square, but they're all like jagged, kind of like the Sith Holocron as it's opening up. And you know, I was going to go like a little farther, maybe add like another plate, but I really like this size for the minifigure. I think it's the right size. Just have the Sith, your Sith or your Jedi, who maybe comes across it, holding it in their hand. I think it's a great size and kind of making those catty corners not line up and the pyramid. It just looks great for a minifigure to be a Sith Holocron.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.